What's going on, guys? Kyle Bradshaw here. I was recently working with Nelson Rigg on their road trip saddlebag from Route 1. If you've got a softail motorcycle that has these two bolts right here, these saddlebags are going to be the perfect option for putting luggage on the back of your motorcycle. Take a look at this video that we created about the brand new road trip saddlebags. Kyle from Nelson Rigg here to show you the new road trip saddlebags. This is the latest addition to the Route 1 Cruiser collection. Now, these road trip saddlebags fit a wide variety of vehicles, mainly the Harley Davidson Softail and Dyna models, as well as the Kawasaki Vulcan S and the BMW R18. Just like all Route 1 luggage, these road trip saddlebags are constructed of Nelson Rigg's proprietary Ultra Max material for maximum UV protection against fading and discoloring. They also feature a lifetime warranty. The rigid construction allows the saddlebags to hold their shape and support up to 10 pounds of personal items per side. On each of the saddlebags, we're going to have 3 different MOLLE panels, one on the back, one on the top, and one in the front. These MOLLE panels make it a convenient place to mount our fuel bottle holder, as well as any other MOLLE accessory. Another very nice feature of the external pocket here on the bag are going to be the elastic straps that hold your possessions securely in place. That's going to make sure that your items aren't bouncing around as you are riding down the road. Moving to the interior of the bag, you'll notice a nice light gray liner. It's going to be fantastic for when you open these things up in low light situations. You're going to be able to see all of your gear. Now, these bags do include a rain cover, and this mesh pocket here on the front is the perfect place to store that rain cover. Moving on over to this other bag, we have it completely loaded. Taking a look on the inside, we have a lot of easily accessible handy items such as a flashlight, Allen wrench, and a knife over here. We of course have our included rain cover, as well as all of our other personal items that we're taking with us. Now that we talked about use and construction of the bags, let's jump into the installation. Included with the road trip saddlebags are 4 fender strut brackets and 4 thin washers. 2018 and up softails, just like this 2020 Harley Davidson Street Bob, will utilize the 4 thinner washers to fill in the gap on the fender strut. Remove the bolts one at a time and install the provided washer and strut mount. If your motorcycle has a pillion seat, remove the seat and wipe the area under the seat with a clean rag. Start with one side. Open the bag and place one hand behind the bracket for support and firmly clip the saddlebag into the C-clip of the bracket. Once attached, now the bag can be adjusted side to side. Repeat on the other side. Holding the saddlebag up, feed the attached self-fastening straps through the slot on the strut bracket and pull tight, making sure the strap is flush against the bottom of the bag. Repeat on the other side. Once both saddlebags are attached, you can adjust the self-fastening yoke to the width of your motorcycle's fender. You can now reattach the seat and confirm the bags are secure. Side-specific 100% waterproof rain covers are also included with your saddlebags. Installation is a breeze. Starting with the bottom of the rain cover, unfasten the 2 lower straps and feed the elastic band through and reattach. Slide the rain cover over the bag and unzip the detachable yoke and slide the elastic band over the zipper and reattach. Pull the barrel clasp tight and you are ready to go for wherever the journey takes you. It's hard to really express how secure these things are, but when you hear the robust snap into place that these provide, it is extremely significant. This bracket is going nowhere once mounted to the bike, and that's going to make sure that these bags stay rock solid as you ride down the road. So the weight of this bag is being supported by the bracket in conjunction with this self-fastening strap. We're then going to feed this strap through the bottom of the bracket, pulling it nice and tight and securing that hook and loop here at the bottom. That's going to allow these bags to sit perfectly on your motorcycle, and all of that weight is going to be distributed evenly. Now, we've already talked about the robust nature of the mounting system of this motorcycle, and that's where all the weight's going to be carried. Now let's take a look at the secondary mounting point, and that's going to be the yoke here at the top. Now, on the bottom of the yoke, you're going to notice a non-slip material. It's going to be perfect for protecting the paint on your motorcycle. Now, a great piece of attention to detail that we've done on these bags is the fact that we've extended this non-slip material all the way down past the zippers to where it connects to the bag. It's going to ensure that your motorcycle has premium protection. Now, a fantastic feature of our saddlebags is the fact that they're extremely universal and they give you a perfect fit no matter how narrow or how wide your motorcycle fender is. This hook and loop, you're just going to go ahead and set in its perfect place, smooth it down like so, and you're going to get a perfect connection. Now, moving over to where the yoke attaches the saddlebag, no attention to detail was left out here either. The zipper here actually has a locking device with this snap. Once that zipper becomes open, you're going to notice that it's not falling apart. There's hook and loop below the zipper that allows a second point of security, allowing these bags to be super secure on the motorcycle when you're riding down the road and extremely easy to remove once you get to your destination. Another attention to detail you're going to find is the main compartment zipper. Now you get these two zipper ends close to each other. They snap in and lock, allowing these zippers to stay together and not migrate as you travel down the road. And there you have it, the Road Trip Saddlebags from Nelson Rigg. If you have these bags equipped on your motorcycle, you are definitely ready for wherever the journey takes you. I'm Bradshaw. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, take care and ride safe out there.